Alright, well I'm in luck. A heat pump is running in heat mode here. And it's a carrier. Whoa! It's frozen up in there. Oh my god, this thing is new too. It's not frozen up or anything. It's running in heat mode. Let's see what year it's from. It's from 2014. And it is a 5-ton. Look how frozen it is. That is insane. Oh, we might get a defrost cycle from it being frozen in there. Who knows? I don't think so. Okay, this thing is running in cooling mode. Oh my gosh. Why is it running in cooling mode? Look at the suction line's frozen. It's all iced up. Why is it running in cooling mode? That is odd. Blowing out cool air. That's weird. No wonder it's not frozen up. Still frozen on the suction line right there. It's definitely cold. Oh my god. It's running in cooling mode. No wonder it's all frozen up. Oh my goodness. I've never seen a unit running in cooling mode in this temperature. I mean, I think I have. Not that old. It hasn't really got a problem. I think I should shut it off. The compressor's freezing up. Oh, not even that old. Let me fix that. Let's see. There we go. Whoa. All frozen up inside there. Alright. Frozen carrier unit running in cooling mode. That's not good. And I hear some... Oh my god! There's a lot of units down there. And I hear some running. Oh my goodness. Alright, I'll see if I can get down there. Over and out.